What's up everybody, welcome to the vlog. We are here in Opportunity City, Round Rock, Texas today at a fourplex that Doreen, Matt and I just recently bought. We're in the process of remodeling it. We're turning 2 of the units into an Airbnb here in Round Rock, Texas. We're gonna see how that goes. It was a great deal that was found by TRE Property Solutions off market, contacted the seller. Didn't want to list it. He wanted to, sell it for cash off market. We were able to take it down at about $580. It appraised in its current condition close to about $760. And so now we're just in the process of remodeling 2 of the vacant units that were there when we acquired it. And we're going to turn them into some Airbnbs. So we're going to take you inside a before of a unit that we haven't remodeled yet, and then straight into an after of a unit that we just finished remodeling. Alright guys, come on inside. We are in Unit A here at the Fourplex. So there's not a whole lot of damage or things that were bad here. Everything is structurally alright. I mean, sheetrock's good, trim's good, the ceilings are good, but it's just a little outdated for what we want for this Airbnb. So what we are going to do is come in here and scrape these popcorn ceilings. We're going to get rid of this light fixture. We're going to replace it with a new one. We may paint this fireplace. We do like the gray and the whites. This is actually close to our typical color that we keep these properties, so we may actually leave that. However, I think we may remove this tile and put some LVP laminate flooring in here. And really the big project on this unit, Unit A, is going to be the kitchen. So we're probably going to get rid of all these cabinets, replace the countertops, get a new sink, a new faucet, new appliances, new vent hood. Again, scraping all this popcorn out of here. And these properties are kind of unique. One thing that I don't like about it is that there's a bathroom connected to the kitchen. I wish that this opened up into the living room, but it opens up here in the kitchen. So when we come in here, we'll get a new toilet, we'll get a new bathroom vanity, new countertops, new vanity lights, and we'll get a new mirror for in here. But these are small units. They're not huge. They're 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bath, but they're in a nice location here in Round Rock. So we're gonna go check out the upstairs. So upstairs, it's fairly small. All we've got is our master bedroom and our guest bedroom. Then we have our bathroom right here that's shared by both bedrooms. Let's check out the bathroom real quick. So again, this is going to be one of the major parts that we renovate in here. New vanity, new mirror, new light fixture. We're going to get some hanging shelves right here. New toilet. We may do something with the shower. I imagine we will. And we'll replace this tile with some newer tile. Make it really pop and look really good. And then here in these bedrooms, I think probably what we'll do is get some new blinds, replace this light fixture, scrape the popcorn ceilings, and that's about all we're gonna do here in these bedrooms. So I'm excited to go show you what an after unit looks like. Come on in. We are here in the remodeled unit. So this one, we did exactly what I said we're gonna do with the other one. So we scraped these popcorn ceilings, we textured them, painted the ceilings, got the new light fixture in here. We've got this new LVP right here on the flooring. We came in, painted the walls. Like I said, it's that gray and white. When we bought it, this unit actually already had these countertops in it. So we really like these countertops. We did put some backsplash up, new sink, new faucet. We painted the cabinets. We were able to salvage them and just paint them, make them look nicer, replace the pulls and the handles. We have a new stove, new vent hood, and then here in the bathrooms, doesn't this look much better with a brand new vanity, these floating shelves, new mirror, and new vanity lights? I really love the way that this looks and turns out. And we're gonna try and get some furniture in here and get this thing rented out as an Airbnb as quickly as possible. So let's go check out the upstairs. All right, here in the upstairs, like I mentioned, not a whole lot done here. Just some paint. We got a new light fixture. We're gonna keep this carpet and just get this thing furnished. But one of the major renovations upstairs is the bathroom, and it looks amazing. So let's go see it. Wow, I'm just so amazed with how this one turned out. I love this gun black metal finish. We have these new vanity lights, same countertops in here that are actually in the kitchen for this new vanity that we put in here. We have a new faucet. Doreen is the queen of getting discount stuff for all of our flips and our properties, and I think she got that one at a good price. We have these floating shelves in here to match all the other trim pieces, and it just looks really good. We love this tile. This tile actually was special, and we wanted this one, and we actually had to drive all the way to San Antonio to pick up just 3 boxes. So we really wanted this one. We wanted to put this tile in this bathroom and in the other bathroom that we're about to remodel, and I do think that it pulls it all together and makes it look amazing. So meet you outside, and I'm gonna break down a little bit of the numbers of this Airbnb and hopefully what it'll bring in. All right, now here on the outside, we are gonna do a couple things to the exterior. We're gonna power wash the entire brick and everything on the outside. We're gonna paint the doors of each unit, and we're gonna paint them the same color that we're gonna paint the trim to make it really pop, make it look really nice. They actually have a new roof on this property, so that's good for us. But we bought it for $580. We can actually rent these units out to a long-term tenant for about $14.50 a month, which is really good considering what we bought it for, and it almost meets the 1% rule. But with the Airbnb, we're gonna try and get some more money. I'm not exactly sure what we plan on renting it out as or what the Airbnb comps are, but I would assume it's somewhere around $150 a night, which would bring the gross revenue and rents, if it was rented out, you know, for 30 days a month, which likely it won't be, up to close to, you know, $3,000 or so, a little bit more. But we're excited about it. We're gonna try it out, and if the Airbnb route does not work, then just take it all out, sell the furniture, and put a long-term tenant in there. We're really excited about this property. Thank you guys for following along today, and we'll have some more soon. Until then, subscribe, like this video, and we'll see you next time.